At AllView Real Estate, we believe moving out should be a smooth and transparent experience. It's more than just handing over keys, it's about fairness and maintaining your home's condition. That's why we follow a structured move out process designed to make your transition easy while helping you get the most back from your security deposit. Before your move out date, please address any maintenance concerns. If repairs fall under the owner's responsibility, submit them through your tenant portal for timely resolution. We also recommend scheduling a pre-move out inspection. This walkthrough helps identify what may need attention before your final inspection and can reduce potential deductions from your deposit. If you decide to handle any repairs yourself, make sure they meet professional standards. Mismatched paint or poorly patched walls may need correction and could result in additional charges. During your final move-out inspection, the home should be fully cleaned, all keys returned, and your forwarding address provided. Security deposits are processed within 21 days after your lease end date, as required by law. Deductions are made only for applicable items. Common chargebacks include cleaning if the property isn't left in move-in ready condition, damage repairs beyond normal wear and tear, painting for heavy scuffs, stains, or unauthorized colors, trash or item removal for belongings left behind, unpaid rent or utilities, and missing items such as garage remotes, keys, or fixtures. Your leasing agent will contact you to schedule your pre-move-out inspection and guide you through the final steps. If you have any questions about your move-out or deposit, reach out to us at info@allviewrealestate.com or call 949-400-4275. Thank you for choosing AllView Real Estate. We're here to make your move-out seamless and fair every step of the way.